Hello everyone. In this video, I'll guide you on how to fix Discord, a fatal JavaScript error occurred, in a clear and effective way, so you can launch Discord without any crashes or errors. This issue usually happens because corrupted files or missing components on your system. First, completely close Discord if it's running in the background by using Task Manager and ending all Discord processes. Next, press Windows plus R, type %appdata% and delete the Discord folder. Then go back, open local app data, and again delete the Discord folder there as well. This removes all corrupted cache and settings files. After that, uninstall Discord from your system through Control Panel or Settings. Now, restart your computer to clear any remaining temporary files. Once your system is back on, download the latest version of Discord from the official website and install it fresh. You should also make sure that Microsoft Visual C++ redistributables and Net Framework are properly installed and updated, since Discord depends on them. Finally, temporarily disable antivirus if it blocks installation. After following these steps, Discord should open normally without the fatal JavaScript error. Subscribe the channel for more videos.